Hey, welcome to Design Guy. I'll show you why Canva's DPI settings can be confusing and how to fix your exports. Click the Create button to start a new project. Select Custom Size from the options. Enter 300 by 300 pixels for the dimensions and confirm. After your blank canvas appears, navigate to the Templates section and choose a template to add to your project workspace. To download this template, click the Share button, then select Download. Choose the option labeled Trended by Trended PX and confirm the download. Wait for the file to finish downloading to your device. Once the download is complete, you'll be ready to continue with the next steps or import the template as needed. Navigate to the folder containing your image. Right-click the image file to open the context menu. Select Show More Options, then choose Properties from the list. In the Properties window, click the Details tab. Here, you'll find information about the image, including the width and height, which should each show as 300 pixels. The Details pane will also display the image's dots per inch, or DPI, listed among other properties. Set the resolution to 96 dpi. Observe that with these settings, an image size at 300 pixels shows 96 dpi. Now let's download the image again. Click the Share button, then select Download. This time, adjust the size slider to the maximum value. You'll notice the width updates to 936 pixels. Click Download to save this new version of the image. After downloading, open your File Explorer and navigate to your Downloads folder. Locate the image file, then right-click on it. From the context menu, select Show More Options, then choose Properties. In the Properties window, select the Details tab. Under Details, you can view information about your image, including its dimensions and resolution. This is how you verify the Notice that the width and height are set to 936 pixels with a DPI of 300. Typically, an image at 300 DPI and a 3-inch dimension would measure about 900 pixels. However, in this Canva design, 36 pixels, yet it's still listed as 300 DPI. This seems inconsistent. If you are performing the calculation manually, a 3-inch print at 300 DPI should result in 900 pixels along each side. In Canva, though, you see 936 pixels at 300 DPI, which is slightly higher than expected. This means the pixel dimensions in the DPI setting do not align exactly. Under Slightly High to print your design, since printers rely on accurate DPI and pixel values for best results. If you need precise dimensions, Canva requires 300 pixels for a design to achieve 96 dpi, not 288 pixels. This calculation shows that to reach the correct resolution in Canva, you need to input 300 pixels, ensuring your design will maintain clarity and meet the necessary printing standards. DPI, or dots per inch, can be confusing in Canva because it doesn't actually matter for digital images unless you're printing them. DPI only has meaning when attached to a physical size. For example, a 300 by 300 pixel image viewed on a screen doesn't have an inherent DPI. It's just 300 by 300 pixels, regardless of DPI. When you assign that image a DPI of 96, it will print physically larger than if it's assigned a DPI of 300, even though the digital file itself hasn't changed at all. Both files are identical in digital terms. In contrast, is only in the print size instruction. Monitors typically has a common print resolution standard for higher quality prints. So, for high quality printing, always use the standard minimum resolution recommended for your project. This ensures clear professional results. If you found this tutorial helpful, click the like button and share it with others who might benefit. Continue to follow for more useful tips. You just learned why Canva's DPI settings can be misleading. If you found this useful, hit like and subscribe for more design tips.